Hi, Sawyer. Do you like your cereal? Careful. Ah, you're gonna drop it. Mommy, I love Cheerios. Actually, these are the Trader Joe JoJo's. Oh, it's coming out. There it is. You got one, though. One came out. One fell down. It's okay. Oops. Those are for our sweet potatoes for lunch. I'm roasting some sweet potatoes for lunch. Does that sound good, Sawyer? I want some. I'm going to put some. And then I have arugula salad. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Oops, sorry. Hi. Hi. Oops. I got it in my mouth, Mommy. There's only one left. There's only one. It's right there. Oh, I guess that was stuck on your hand. Right here. Oh, that one fell down on the ground. Colby can have it. You're going to eat the last one? Very good job. Bye-bye.